If you recently updated Microsoft Edge to version 138 and noticed yellow question mark icons next to your extensions, you're not alone. It's been showing up for lots of users. These yellow question marks don't necessarily mean your extensions are malicious or dangerous. Instead, they seem to be related to a new performance warning system that Edge is testing. Microsoft is rolling out an extension performance detector that flags extensions which may be slowing down your browser, using too much memory, or otherwise impacting performance. Many users have reported that the question marks appear specifically for extensions installed from the Edge add-ons store, while the ones from the Chrome Web Store don't get flagged. That's led to speculation that these icons are part of this new Edge feature. Some community reports suggest it might just be a bug in version 138, and not all users agree on what the yellow mark exactly means. One common theory is that Edge is warning you to review or disable extensions that could be hurting performance. If you see this icon, one good step is to check your extension list and look for anything that you don't use often. Try disabling some and see if your browser feels snappier. Also, keep your Edge browser updated. According to user reports, the issue might be cleaned up in future versions. Bottom line: the yellow question mark in Edge 138 probably isn't a sign of malware. It's more likely a performance warning, or possibly a bug in the current release. But it's a useful reminder to audit your extensions from time to time, especially if you want your browser running as smoothly as possible.